Hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be making a powerful Ayurveda herbal mask. The ingredients are nettle leaf, Bhringraj, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera. Believe me, this is power packed. This cocktail of essential nutrients promotes long, healthy, shiny hair. So I'm going to start by sieving out the nettle leaf powder to try sieve out as many particles as I can. It leaves this residue in your hair, and I had to learn the hard way. So now I have learned to sieve the powder out first before I prepare the mask. So I start with the nettle leaf, and then later I will sieve out the Bhringraj powder. Nettle leaf is rich in vitamins and minerals. Nettle contains silica, which makes the hair stronger, thereby promoting hair growth by boosting blood flow. Bhringraj is known as the king of herbs for hair growth. It is a powerful Ayurvedic. It promotes healthy hair. It is rich in nutrients like iron, magnesium, and vitamin E, which nourish the scalp and strengthen the hair. Once I'm done sieving, I'm going to add warm water to start making the paste. Add as much warm water as is needed to soak up all the powder and make the paste smooth. Now we add sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamins and minerals. It supports hair growth, promoting soft, more manageable locks as well as restoring moisture. It protects the hair from breakages and reduces frizz. So I added 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Now for the aloe vera. Aloe vera deep cleans an oily scalp. It strengthens the hair, prevents dandruff, controls dandruff, treats hair loss, promotes hair growth, balances pH levels, soothes the scalp, soothes irritation, fights scalp infection. What else do you want from aloe vera? Well, I poured it into the mixture and then I let it sit for some minutes. Here we go. The hair mask is ready. Hair has been washed. I've rinsed off from the excess product build up on my hair so that the mask can sit in there. There we go. So the tips are important. Get those tips in. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. The truth about this hair mask is that it leaves a billion particles in the hair. I'm not exaggerating. You will rinse and rinse your hair till you're tired. It is not for the faint of heart. So, if you don't like messy or you can't stand rinsing your hair forever, then this hair mask isn't for you. But I know the result I get each time I use this hair Ayurveda herbs. My hair feels fortified and really strengthened. So I usually overlook the tediousness of applying the mask, knowing that the result will be beneficial. That is giving me healthy long hair. So guys, if you have a solution, I beg, to sieving out all the residue from the herbal powder, kindly leave me a comment in the comment section. The color definition. While applying the mask, it's best to work in sections so the hair mask can penetrate every single hair strand. Let's not also forget to massage the scalp. Very important. Once done applying the mask, I will wear a plastic cap for at least 30 minutes, but I like to wear mine for longer. That way, I am sure that all the nutrients have been absorbed into my hair. That's it, guys. Kindly leave me a comment in the comment section if you think this powerful herbal mask is worth the stress or not. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.